How do I enable rest mode on my PS4 to download games overnight?
Hello, PS4 users. Today, we are going to walk you through a feature you might not be using to its full potential. Rest mode on PS4 can help you download your games overnight without a hitch. Let's dive right in.
What is rest mode on PS4?
Rest mode is a low power state for your PS4. While your PS4 is in rest mode, it can still download updates and games, charge your controllers, and more, all while using less power.
How to enable rest mode?
Here's how to set your PS4 to enter rest mode. 1. Press and hold the PS button on your controller. This brings up the quick menu. 2. Navigate to the power options at the top of the menu. 3. Select Enter Rest Mode. Your PS4 will now be in rest mode.
How to enable downloading in rest mode?
To ensure your games and updates download while in rest mode, you must adjust the following settings. 1. Navigate to the PS4 settings from the main screen. 2. Scroll down and select Power Save settings. 3. Select Set features available in rest mode. 4. Enable the option for Stay connected to the Internet. 5. Enable the option for Enable turning on PS4 from network. And that's it. With rest mode activated and your preferences correctly set, you can download games overnight without keeping your PS4 fully powered on. We hope this video helps you make the most out of your gaming experience.